it's Mr. Beer here. We are in Tilfara today because of so many reasons. The first reason is that the natural beauty of this place is awesome. And it's Mr. Beer, and behind the camera, Mr. Rifat, and here is MD Akram. We are enjoying a lot, and we have came here by bike. So you guys can have a visit here. I hope you will enjoy yourself because there have so many things to see, and we are enjoying a lot. And so Rifat will show some scenery from this place, and let's enjoy this. We are in Tilfara today because of some reason. The first reason is that the beautiful scenery of this place.
In the red, feeling the pain, and I know I'm in need of you.
And you guys can take a visit at this place because hopefully you guys will astonish yourself because there have so many things to make yourself very much chill, and we're enjoying a lot. And here I have some beautiful places.